For me, hunting isn't just a hobby, it's a way of life. We live off this meat year-round. I take pride in not buying commercial meat. So I find the most enjoyment in limiting my technology. I've found that building my own gear and hunting with less gear creates more reward. My name is Benji Hill. I'm a survival instructor and a wilderness pack goat and adventure guide. But what I really am is a hunter. I stopped my job working for money because money doesn't truly make me happy. The number one thing is I try and live as simply as possible. Being in the outdoors truly makes me happy. Doing anything from cutting wood to gathering wild edibles and harvesting my own meat. Those are all things that truly identify with me and make me completely happy to the point where money means almost nothing.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, back.
So I live on a small farm, it's 5 acres. Down here, South Valley, we like to walk the goats. It's a good way to keep the pack animals in shape, check out how everyone's moving, and to turn some heads in the neighborhood. Goats help me with my guiding business. Working with pack goats is challenging and rewarding at the same time. The goats are super friendly. They cooperate when you run them correctly and you know their traits. And they're like giant dogs. They just love to be around you, love to please. As a semi-proficient hunter, it takes me roughly 30 days to harvest a big game animal with a bow. A full day is sun up to sundown, either glassing or being in a good position to ambush or stalking my prey. And that's 10 hours a day, 30 days, 300 hours of actual field time to get 50, 60 pounds of meat on a deer, 150 pounds on an elk. It was completely worth it for me to give up my financial security for this type of lifestyle. The freedom involved in getting to spend more time doing what I love is far more significant and important to me than the money.